is different. Hello friends, it's the Stitches again, and I dyed my hair. As much as I really love the blue, I don't know, there's something about having a berry toned hair in the summer that just feels summery. So I swapped out the blue for this. I just put some pink dye over it. I will show you the process because I got to a point where I needed to do my roots real bad, and it was like, okay, you're either going to live with blue for 3 more months or you can change your hair now. So this is what we got. I really love it. I was going for a little bit more pink, but with all the blue that was in my hair, it is very purple. Eventually it'll fade more into a pink with the retouching and fading and the way hair ages. So eventually by the end of the summer it'll probably be like pink, but for now it's this nice purpley berry color and I really like it. So yeah, let's show you the process. So this summer I decided I really want to try out some larme looks, and I noticed that with larme the hair tends to be either like a blonde or a brunette, or it's like a strawberry blonde or like a very like berry toned brunette. There isn't much unnaturally colored hair in larme, but if there is a natural colored hair, it's usually like a raspberry color or like a plum color. So that's sort of what I was emulating with this hair color choice. I think it was successful. I think it will look much better with larme than my blue hair because you don't see blue with larme ever. So I decided the berry would just complement the styles that I want to go for this summer better. So yeah, that's what we did. I just bleached my roots and then put some pink dye over it. I'm using the same pink dye that I did last year when I dyed my hair from blue-green to purpley. But yeah, that's my hair. Alright friends, that was the process. I was hoping to keep this video pretty short. Not a ton of content for you here today, but I just wanted to have a video showcasing my new hair. This is the final results. You can see there's a little bit of gradation between pink and blue, and more of the like natural color of my hair kind of peeks out a little bit, but not a ton. The blue at my ends was fading real bad into like greens and like my natural hair color and just like weird gray, so you can kind of still see that, but with the pink over the top it does make it look very soft and pastel. And my roots are obviously much pinker. They're a little bit more raspberry. This is more the color that I would like to have throughout my whole head, but I'm not quite brave enough to bleach out blue all the way, especially since blue is a color that's very hard to get rid of. So we're just gonna fade it and like have that gradation. It'll be fine. But yeah, it's super cute. I don't think I did a terrible job with the back, but I haven't looked at it too close. But yeah, I can't stop touching it and running my fingers through it, partially because like when you bleach it, it kind of changes the texture of your hair a little bit because it like strips that little bit off the surface. So it does kind of make your hair feel a little bit strange. I did a deep condition, so my hair doesn't feel crunchy anymore. But yeah, this is my new hair. Alright friends, I hope everybody has a good day, and I hope everybody experiments with their hair this summer and does something fun. You don't have to do anything crazy like this, but you know, try a new haircut or a new bang style or just a new way of styling your current hair. The world of possibilities is endless, and I will see you all next time. Bye!